Hello, nice to meet you guys again. So in my last video, we were talking about strengthening, how important it is to strengthen the core muscles. I was talking about how to strengthen your transverse abdominis muscle. And there is one more muscle that's very crucial to strengthen. That is your buttock muscle or the glutes muscle. Okay. If these glutes muscles are weak, what's going to happen is it can't stabilize your pelvis. So let's use this guy here. Okay, I guess you guys can see it. So this is the pelvic bone on both the sides, and whole spine sits on the pelvic bone. Okay, if the glutes muscles are weak, it can't stabilize your pelvic bone, and if it can't stabilize, then it will throw your back off. Okay, and so it's very important to strengthen your glutes muscle. If you have a back injury and if you're recovering from it, it's very important to strengthen your glutes muscle. And a very easy exercise to start with strengthening the glutes muscle is the clamshell exercise. Let's discuss how to do this clamshell exercise. Okay, great. Okay, so to do this, you see this this is the starting position, lying on your side, and you're going to bend your knee, both your knee a little bit like this, and stay relaxed. And then the ending position, you're going to pull your belly button like I showed you in the last video. You're going to activate the belly button, and then you're going to take this knee towards the ceiling. Okay, and it's very important while doing it not to roll your upper body. That's a common mistake I've seen when the clients do this exercise. They try to roll their upper body. Please don't do that, and hold it for a count of 5. You should feel it in your buttock and hold for a count of 5 and do it 10 repetitions. Okay, and once it gets easier, you can increase it to 3 sets of 10, and then there is a progression for it. We can discuss it later, but this is where you will start from, and you will do it on both the sides. Okay, so both to strengthen both the side glutes muscle. As I said, like if the glutes muscle are weak, it's going to it can't stabilize your pelvis, and if the pelvis is not stable, the whole spinal cord sitting on top of the pelvic, the spine can be affected and can cause injury and back pain. Okay, great. So I hope it helps, and if you have any questions, please direct message me. I'm more than happy to help you, so that, like, we can avoid all unnecessary surgeries in our community. So that is our mission. So if you have any questions, please feel free to direct message me, and I will get back to you probably within a day or two. Thank you.